So I've answered page 155, question 3 here. Just a couple of points to make before I start on the question. Put your name on the sheet, top left, and then in the middle or on the right have a title on it. Call it Transformations or page 155, question 3, just something like that. And then line it out properly, as most people have been doing, because as you know, draftsmanship is 10% of the overall mark. So if you just lined out a sheet and, as I've often said, did nothing else, technically, you might get 10%. Now down to the question. Set up the question in the top right of the sheet as shown, and then set up the positions then of your vertices, A1, A2 and A3. When they label a point like that, it's called a vertex. So there's where A has to end up after the first transformation, the second one, and then the third one. So the first one is just a translation. Going across, it tells you A1. From point A to A1 by translation. So that just means you move that shape straight across the sheet, parallel to A1, the same direction as A1 and the same distance as A1. So I've just taken a line from each of the points across the sheet, and then to find the new position of each point, put the point of the compass in the point, and having the compass opened out to A1, I had to use the pencil compass for this, and the pencil had to be fairly far through the compass to reach it. You put the point of the compass then here and nick off that point, and then that one, and then just join them up. So each distance there, for example, that one from there to there is the distance AA1. So then you join them up and you get the exact same shape, facing the same way as the original. The next part of the question asked us to do axial symmetry in the line XY. So that's the line. I've just extended it on ahead out here to actually meet the question. It doesn't do that in the book. So you take every point again, this time down to the line and on ahead the far side. The guide lines, never matters what length they are. So from every point here down to the line, on ahead the far side. And then put the point of your compass where, for example, that line crosses that line. Point the compass in here, pencil out to here, and rotate it round to there. It'll find you. Obviously A2 is already found. For this one, that line crosses the line XY here, point of the compass there, pencil out to here, swing it around, it'll find you that point, and then these two are the same. And I've just shown one of them there in red, just to make it clear. So have the point of the compass there, the pencil opened out to there, and take it right around, and it finds that point. And the last part then is central symmetry, and central always means a point, central symmetry in Z. So then I take the various points here through Z, on ahead, whatever length, it doesn't matter. And then I've highlighted just one of them again, point of the compass here, pencil right out to there, and again you have to extend it out reasonably far, and then swing it around until it finds itself up here. Just looking at that a bit closer. Point of the compass stays in Z for all of these, and then whatever point you want to find, make sure you have a line taken from that point through Z and on ahead the far side. Point of the compass in Z, open it out to your point, swing it round, and it'll find your point here. Point of the compass in Z, pencil out to here, swing it around, and it'll find that point, and then just join your points up as normal.